Hey everybody. Hey everybody. My name's Albert Corey from Cohen Associates Accounting and Small Business, where every day we come on and we help our clients get the best tax returns. You get the best tax returns, save money on the tax returns, pay less money on your tax returns, and just make sure you get things done right. And we've been doing this since 1985. Hi, Mr. Donald. And Mr. Andrew, bro, my best buddy Andrew. So today, this is what Cohen Associates does. We help small businesses have a better cash flow, learn the deductions. You can pay less to the IRS and take advantage of little known IRS deductions so you can pay less. Today, we're going to talk about if you're a realtor, in Florida, how FREC says that you have to be a PA to legally open up a corporation for real estate in Florida. That's right. So what FREC basically says, and I don't know the exact legislative code for it, but it says up until a few years ago, if you're a realtor in Florida, and I think it's in some other states, that you can be a corporation and be a real estate salesperson, you would get a 1099-A, a 1099. All right, then let me explain what a 1099 is. A 1099 is how you get paid on the commissions. So when you make your sale, at the end of the year, the broker is going to give you a 1099 with your sales. So if you're on a personal return, it goes on a Schedule C on your personal return. Here's why I don't like Miss Natty. Here's why I don't like personal returns on a Schedule C. Because what starts to happen is on a Schedule C, you can write the deductions, but the IRS can go and pick and choose. They can program out. Because I've seen this plenty of times from people who didn't do the returns. They came to fix the returns with me. They could program out, like on line 7 of a Schedule C is to put your car miles. Well, guess what, guys? If you put 60,000 miles on your car, you're going to get audited. You will get audited. Or you put like $18,000 on going out to dinner or going out to eat for meals and entertainment, you're going to get audited if you only had a $60,000 to $80,000 1099. Because the IRS computer can not stop you, but they can program to look for that. This is why you open up a PA. A PA is nothing more than a corporation. That's right. It's nothing more than a corporation. So what starts to happen is you're incorporated. Now all you're going to get the advantages of being incorporated. At the end is, and I'm going to show you in a minute how to open one up. I'm going to sneeze here. Okay. Sorry. So I'm going to show you how to open it up. So now you're incorporated. So you get all the advantages of a corporation. Couple of advantages are when you're PA, guess what? Your customers, your brokers, everybody's going to think of you as a bigger person. That's the first question. Second question is you're probably going to have less liabilities because if something goes south, they can't sue a corporation. And the third is it's easier to write stuff off. Thank you, Mr. Robert Haas. Thank you. Sharing is caring, guys. If you're watching this, I know it's Saturday, 3:30 or 3 o'clock here in Miami. So if you're watching this, sharing is caring from Austria. That's right. Thank you. That's right. We met at the boot camp. So it's okay. So now the fourth part is it's easier to take your deductions. The IRS, just the way corporation forms are designed, it's a lot harder for the IRS to check the return. Well, my name is Albert Corey from Cohen Associates Accounting and Small Business, where every day we come on and we help clients our clients, small business reduce the amount of money you have to pay the IRS, help you increase the cash flow, and take advantage of every deduction needed to save you money on your tax return. All right. So now today we're going to show you, after I just explained, you're a PA, you're going to set yourself out apart from other realtors, number one. Number two is you're going to have less, and Mr. Larry the Beard Man just came on. And number two is, the second part is, you're going to have less tax liability. Sure, Sergio, I'll give you a call in a minute. And the second part is your tax liability. Your third part is you can save more money on your tax returns. All right, guys, let me just show everybody real quick how, thank you, Larry, and save money on your tax return. All right, so let me show you how to open one up in Florida. It works the same way in almost all the states. So let me go here. Okay, so the first thing you got to go do is you have to go to sunbiz.org. All right, which we're here now. That's sunbiz.org. Right, you got to click New Profit Corporation. Now, here's the trick, guys. If you're a realtor, you can't be by FREC definition. It has to be like me, Albert Corey, PA, or Albert D. Corey, PA. By FREC definition, by the state of Florida definition, you can't have like WeSellBestHouses.com Inc. Later I'll get you, I'll get you the exact information here. So then what you do, you put, now you click the button. Let me go back one more step here. Okay, we're on the main page. Now you click the new Florida Profit Corporation. All right, now you click File or Correct. Okay, you click here. Now you start the new filing. All right, so I always click Certified Status, right? And now the next thing you got to do is like in my case, it would be Albert D. D is my middle name, Corey, PA. Corporate shares, I always put 1,000. Okay, here's trick number one. Place of business, it cannot be, it cannot be, a P.O. box. However, the workaround is you get a UPS box. It can be your house, and it must be in the state of Florida. So we're going to put the address, my office, West 68th Street, Hialeah, Florida, 33014. Okay, I'm going to have the mailing address the same. Okay, the registered agent, same thing. It must be in the state of Florida, and it must be in the state of Florida, and it cannot be a P.O. box. So my last name, Corey Albert, address 1800. West 68th Street. By the way, this is the same way you open up in about 7 states. I just know because I did a bunch of them in Florida. And I did one in Connecticut. Registered agent, it's so funny. Every other place you put last name, first name. This one you put first name, last name. Annual report. Now, if you're in the state of Florida, guys, in Florida, when your corporation is due, they do not send you anything. Okay, you will get an email. So my name, address, 68th Street, Hialeah, Florida 33014. Electronic signature is the same, first and last name. Here is where the big difference, guys, is. Corporate maximum thing, you don't check the box, you put going to sell real estate. That's it. If you are a dentist, you put going to be a dentist. Doctor, going to be a doctor. Correspondent email. Hi, Melissa. See, a commercial, we got Miss Melissa, a commercial realtor in Idaho. Okay, in Florida, Presidents. Now, here's another cool fact for most states is in most states, okay, the officers don't have to be in the state. You just need to have the registered agent in the state and the registered agent, the state, and the corporate mailing address in the state. That's why I have a lot of clients who want to open up Florida. If you don't live in Florida, since we don't have state income tax, and it's real easy to open up, and there's no headaches. I always recommend Florida and street address. Okay, and that's it. Click continue. You shouldn't have any error messages. Click continue. And that's it, guys. The next part, you're going to put your credit card in, and that's it. By the way, my name's Albert Corey from Coin Associates Accounting and Small Business, where every day we come on, and every day we come on, and God, I'm losing my speech now. Every day we come on, we help small businesses maximize their cash flow, pay less money to the IRS, and show you all the regulations, to start saving. That's the ninja deductions that most people don't take. If you have any questions or comments, you can always put them below. We always ask any of the questions or comments. I have a real office at 1800 West 68th Street, Suite 118, Hialeah, Florida. If you can't come to the office, we got fax and email. I always say we have 3,700 Dropbox locations in the U.S. We have 30, and that's all the UPS stores. And I've done realtors. By the way, I am a licensed realtor in the state of Florida, so I know all the deduction guides, whether you're doing commercial real estate or residential real estate. I got your back, guys. Hi, Miss Melissa. Melissa is our resident commercial realtor in Idaho, in Boise. So if you want to come on and say hi, Miss Melissa, how about coming on? Give me some hearts and give me some love if you're watching this, guys. If anybody had any questions or comments, welcome to come on and ask them. That's what we're here for. My name's Albert Corey from Coin Associates Accounting and Small Business, where every day we come on and we help small business maximize, their cash flow, save money on your tax returns, and we'll teach you all the little known IRS deductions that will keep you from getting an IRS audit later. Guys, thank you and have an awesome day. Bye-bye.